My name is Colin Waite, and I am the director of the Cooper Center for Environmental Learning, also known as Camp Cooper. So tonight we are here at the camp honoring 100 teachers for the amazing work that they've done during the last 18 months and more during the pandemic. It's been such a challenging time for teachers and educators across the world, and we wanted to celebrate some of the folks here in Southern Arizona who are doing such amazing work. And so we worked with support from Educational Enrichment Foundation and other local businesses and organizations to put together these amazing gifts to celebrate teachers. And their nominations were truly inspiring. Everything that these teachers have done for their students and for their students' families has just been remarkable. And we don't thank teachers enough for the amazing things that they do. So we've had over 200 people here tonight at Camp Cooper celebrating these wonderful educators and just really kind of connecting them with what we do out here at Camp Cooper. Right now we are filling our calendar of field trips for the spring, and then of course we're also looking to future school years as well. And so if you're interested in learning more about Camp Cooper and all that we have to offer, go to coopercenter.arizona.edu, and you can also find us on social media with educational programs, wildlife camera videos, and a lot more.